And someone, again, left the key in here. Why? Cool sew this rims. You want me to hit that high note for you? Yeah, no, we're not gonna do that. Some 20-year-old needs to show me how to work a Honda. Hey everybody, it is literally the hottest day of the year, and I'm surrounded by some pretty hot cars, if you ask me. Yeah, hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at IAA. It's been a while since I have been here. I am very excited to check out all of the new stock that they have. Ooh, a little two-door Cadillac right there I'm gonna have to check out, depending on what the front damage is. But we are looking for something to add to the channel. I added another car today to the channel. Hopefully you saw the Mercedes station wagon. Yes, yet another one. It's a different model, it's a different year, and it's gonna be so much fun to put together. So go check that video out. But first, stay tuned for this, because I'm gonna find some very cool cars and trucks. First up, how about a BMW Z3 or Z3 if you're watching from across the pond. I love how they say Z instead of Z. Yep, this is from BMW. It's the 2.5 liter. This is an automatic. On the outside, I'm loving the color. I really am. It's not like a basic silver or gray. It's more of like a taupe silver. It's very similar to my 2002 Mercedes E320 wagon. By the way, did I mention I have a new one on the channel? Yeah, it's very close. I think it's Cubanite silver metallic for the wagon. This is almost the same color. Here's your damage right here. And just like the wagon, it's on the front left. So just like the wagon, you need a bumper, a hood, because the hood comes all the way around here, and a light. Other than that, I think you're okay. The tire seems to be holding air. Your little bitty fender piece is okay. This is going to be the biggest expense for you right here. Lights you can get on eBay for not that much money at all. We do have Michelin tires, all four corners. I like that. That's very nice. And there is lots of tread on there, okay? I don't see a whole lot of wear on the roof. It's dusty, okay? It's been a while since it's rained here in Oklahoma, and it's starting to show it on all these vehicles right here. I love this little bitty filler cap. That's really, really cool. We were a member of the Houstonian Club, which is kind of cool. But the fact that it has 4 Michelins, it's a 22-year-old car, and looks to be well kept. I'm anticipating, oh, yeah, I was right. There's power, there's heat. Whoa, is it ever hot? And someone, again, left the key in here. Why? Why? Ooh, before we start anything, what is this? Who is that? I don't know. We may have to find out. They were very well prepared for COVID. Absolutely, all kinds of face masks. This is probably for your radio right there. We'll put it back up. There's a hairbrush. So I think this was owned by a lady. This is in good condition though. Let's just see what happens. The car is from Texas. Only 52,000 miles? Really? 52,000? Nice. Can you hear the exhaust? Oh, this is in great shape. This is for a 22-year-old car. Here she goes. Yeah, she'll go into gear. We're not moving anywhere. I got my foot on the floor, on the ground right there. This is fancy. This is really kind of cool. It's a Pioneer. We got little window switches, and of course the window's gonna, oh, come on. Uh-oh. We may have to help that go back up. That could be a problem. Let's see if we can do this real quick. I'll put this right here. No, come on. No, come on. Oh shoot, it's loose is what it is. So we're gonna little by little. So we'll have to address that. Okay, so there, we're gonna leave that alone now. I don't know, I'm afraid to try this one. That one's fine. Okay. Air conditioner is on. It's not the coolest. but it is trying. So we're going to give a couple of bonus points for that right there. Let's see if this hood will even open. I don't know if it will with the damage. I'm loving this thing though. It is fun to get in and out of. It's a very small car. I just don't know if this is going to do anything. Here we go. Okay. Now, where's the release? Right here. Okay, here we can look at the damage. I love this engine. You're going to find it in lots and lots of BMWs. Yeah. Straight six. It's a 2.5 or a 3. Depending on... Oh, here we go. Sterling Grau metallic. Okay. It's a nice color. It really is. And damage? It's this piece, which is a bolt-on piece. That's okay. And it's a headlight. And I think that's going to be it. This would be an easy fix. Hood, bumper, light, and the radiator support right here. Depending on how much this goes for, I would be very interested in this one. Listen, it just purrs. Totally quiet, no problems at all. 50,000 miles. Well, what do we say after that? Mikey likes. Let's stick with our two-door theme. Yeah, 2012 Honda Civic Coupe, or Coupe, I don't know why I'm adding that, with some very cool So this rims. So this is a rim? I don't know. The tire looks to be a little old. Do they match? Yeah, they're Nexans. That's okay. A little bit of issue right here with the paint. No biggie. Why are you here? I haven't walked around. A little bit of an issue with the paint right there. So maybe this has been painted. Maybe this is from a different car because it's coming off in several places. Right there. Okay. We have, what is this? Is this still another Nexan? I think so. Oh. Well, we've run into an issue. Yeah, the camera got too hot. And by camera, I mean my iPhone. And it kind of shuts down. It is so hot out here. And yet I'm out here doing these videos because I love to. And I love to have you guys watch them. This is what the inside, I don't even know where it shut down. So this is a 2012 Honda Civic Coupe in red. Matching tires. There's some damage on the front right corner. Hopefully you can see. But the inside is perfect. I mean, it could use a little cleaning. She's idling just fine. She really, really is. All the windows, look how long that window is. Yeah. Typical Honda. Everything's going to work perfectly. That's good. Let's kind of get out here and take a look at the engine very quickly before the camera overheats again. Maybe it will open. I love this. I really do. This is nice. Mileage, though. I don't know where does there's so many screens. I'm not used to this. Where's your mileage? No, I don't want to do this. Quit. Let's do source. So this is only for your audio. Here we go. Okay, it's making me mad. I give up. I don't know the mileage on this thing. Some 20-year-old needs to show me how to work a Honda. That's all right. Very quickly before the phone overheats again, here's what the outside looks like. It's a good-looking car. It really is. And the damage is right here. Maybe if I keep this in the shade, it'll work out just fine. Okay? So you need the fender. Hood is okay. I think that's going to be fine. This is all just going to be superficial. So I think even you could save the bumper, get yourself a fender and a headlight, and you're good to go. Engine is wobbling a little bit. So maybe this does have some miles on it. But she's cooling down. Everything seems good under here. So we're going to close this. We're going to say thank you for your service. We're going to keep the phone in the shade, and we're going to find ourselves another vehicle to look at. This is a beautiful little Volkswagen right here. Yeah, 2012 Volkswagen EOS. EOS, I don't know. We have iMove Gen 3 from Ironman Tires. Yep, they match on all four sides. Okay, so that's good. I thought this was going to be an indicator of the damage. This is just, the tabs were broken. So like any good college student, they just tried to tape it together to hold it in. Okay? Well, so maybe they backed into something. This is cracked right here, and it may be pushed up a little bit because I see where this may not open right here. So maybe that's why these are taped with all kinds of different tape just to hold them together. Regardless, it's minimal damage. It really is. Just from here, I can tell you that. Maybe not. We'll have to see why this is doing this. But this, of course, is the convertible. Yeah, all four matching tires. I like the blue. I like the tan on the inside. This is it's a pretty car. I can say that about this car. Yeah, this is a pretty little car. And there's power. Squeaky door. Yeah, little squeaky door. This is going to be your other key. So we'll put it right here. Oh my. Here's your key. Right there. Are you going to start for us? 101,000 miles. You want me to hit that high note for you? Yeah, no, we're not going to do that. Okay, that's a good rock station. Yeah, 101,494 miles. Check engine light. Light. We got the DRL, whatever this means right here. We have good brakes. She will go into reverse and drive. That's nice. Let's give the air conditioner a chance to cool us off. Hopefully it's working. I'm going to go ahead and close this. That's cool how they have incorporated this into a convertible, which is nice. Here we go. Ooh, what is that? That's just from sitting there for so long? All right. Here we go. Give us some cool air, baby. It is kind of cold. We'll let the phone enjoy that. Uh-oh. 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 Can you hear what's happening? She's really stumbling hard. This is weird because the damage is to the back. So why are you stumbling up front? What's wrong? Here we go. Yeah, she's a bucking and a bronking. She no happy anymore. Wow. Okay. This could be a problem. Oh. Look at that. Oh. Okay. Well, there you go. Open the oil passage and everything seems to be fine. This was broken. See? There's a vacuum issue with this car. Yep. Okay. That's not huge. Or is it? If you've owned a Volkswagen like this, let me know. But you give the engine some breathing room and she runs better. I don't want to try to open the trunk because I don't know if I'll be able to get it closed, but this looks like it could be pushed up pretty much. I love the color combination though. I really do. I found a Ford Lincoln MKZ like this. I just thought it was so beautiful. That engine ran way better than this one. So I think we're going to pass on this one. Let me know what you think about this. There you go. 3 beautiful 2-door cars. Of the 3, which do you prefer? As far as me, I like that BMW. 50-something thousand miles for a 22-year-old car in perfect condition until the accident. So you know it was well maintained. It's got expensive tires on it. So that checks all the boxes for me. But I want to hear what you have to say about this. So leave a comment. If you liked the video, please share, please subscribe, and we'll have another one coming up for you very, very soon. All right, everybody, thank you for watching these. We're back with another Get Your Hands Dirty video. And of course, I have all kinds of electric bikes and scooters I like to put together. And we're going to bring the electric motorcycle back to the channel. What am I doing with my eyes? I don't know what that was. The electric motorcycle back to the channel. I've got some really cool accessories to put on that, so that was a hugely popular video, so watch for that one as well. All right, I'm gonna cool off in the Volkswagen for a little bit, then we're gonna get back outside and make another video. Okay, have a great day.